put niggas in blunts. Turn on tough ass niggas to skunks. 40,000, spent that this month. You ain't break on that bitch, all you did was hunch. Every hit or something, nigga got touched. I'm a real fox. Ask the city about us. I ain't gotta make up.
So y'all, new car, new me. Okay, y'all, look, I got 2019 Kia Stinger. 2 keys, me, man, don't play no game. But this the joint. Let's get in. Look at the joint, look at the joint. Oh, my favorite part from her, and I can't quit playing. Got me a new car, you know. I'm gonna start it up. Oh shit! Got me a new car, y'all. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let you try to sit here for a second. I plan on getting me a sunroof installed. Yeah. They got me a Kia Stinger. Yeah. Let's fucking go. Whoa! Let's fuck my shit. Yeah. Look at the joint. Got somebody installed some pedal shifters on this joint. Some extended pedal shifters, because y'all can see they right here, but they installed them joints. But yeah, BLV me driving this joint. I'm just gonna punch it real quick. And it's not even all the way, bro. This not even all the way, bro. This is a Kia Stinger, 2019 Kia Stinger 2.0. Pushing out 255 horsepower. So far, this is like my second or third time driving it. Well, it's like my second time, but first time I test drove it. But like no. And this is not sport mode. It is original mode, like comfort mode. I'm really gonna have some fun with this vehicle. I ain't gonna front y'all. Race? No.
Race a car.
Like my car on.
Real nice. What's so wrong with this? That's a stuff I need to drive back.
I thought you was getting in here.
Shit.
I'm gonna let you get in here, bro.
You can let me drive this up?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm scared. Hey, already too. No stolo. Quit playing. What, the pedal shift? Yeah, let me take this hoe for a little ride.
Here go the new joint, y'all. Here go the new joint, y'all. Here go the new joint, y'all. Tight shit. Tight shit.
How you turning this hoe from sport? Turn it to sport mode. This hoe real wheel or odd wheel?
Real.
Man, get out the way.
Feel fresh romaine, and I stay with the cash like an exo chain. 50 G.I. Joe, man, 762 to them G.I. James. That brick on.
Yo, we did John Tone.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. First mod, tent.
First mod.
Tent.
Gas, goddamn.
No cap.
Scared my ass. Them motherfuckers feel fast, boy.
Motherfucker, alright.
I said, man, that thing we on the freeway. How you know the brakes good? Cause they stopping.
Shit, yeah.
Ain't no potholes on this street. How you liking it, bro?
Yo, cool.
It's like a lot of dirt over here. Yeah. It's weak as hell. Oh, this hoe feel weak as hell.
Damn.
What happened?
That's all I have to had to force that hoe to get that ass. Damn.
This game broken into it, never did it before.
Damn. That hoe cool. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Did you see things? Think you got some tire marks back there?
Hell no.
Nigga got outside in the rain.
Oh God, I always think I made some smoke, dog. Like, is this hoe for real? We gonna try it for real? That hoe, cause it don't want to spin.
But it's spin though.
Yeah.
Little ass, little bit.
It got some power. It's just missing a little oof. It's just missing that oof.
It's a 2.0, not a 3.0. What you think?
See, this whole cool. It's just missing a little oof.
That's why I gotta get like me a little tune, a little change some spark plugs in this motherfucker or something. Ah, we just went in the air. Cutting coffee too damn fast. Ah! How can you see over the hill? Ah!
I'm used to this. You roll. I know you roll.
See, I ain't even the first one driving this hoe like that. My brother just got gnarly in this motherfucker. I was just scared of hell. I ain't gonna lie.
One day right here, I think it was some oil and shit. I had my fiend. I turned that hoe got so sideways. I said, oh shit, oh shit. No kill. Come on, though. That true. He said that this thing boy. There we go. We got a little spin. There we go. We got a little power slide. We got a little power slide.
We just need a little water, huh? Ah!
Got us a little power slide, man. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Fuck, we running red lights. Fuck.
Oh! Details red block. I'm finna call police on you my damn self. Brakes weak as hell. I figured that for you.
Oh god, they hold these some sliding rotors. Cause I know the way you drive and the way I drive. But show your ass.
You driving home? You driving home manual?
Yeah.
At least I heard my engine, goddamn. Hey, bro, what you gotta say about it?
This junk cool, I ain't gonna lie. It's cool, look car, I don't care. Man, I just wanna see what the hell can do if it can get the, you know, the BMWs and the Infinities and shit like that. I wanna see a junk go against the G37 or the Q50, the 3.0 or the 3.7 junk. It cool though, I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with this junk. I don't care, it do need a little tune, cause he just missing a little oof. But when you get that
how much
oof,
tune cost?
it's gonna be straight. Shit, I think I'm like about 5, 6 tunes. Downpipes and tune, that's all you need, man. I'm telling you.
1 out of 10.
Take these buffs out though, man. 1 out of 10 in the car?
Look at the light, look at the door. See that little purple outline like BMW, nigga? Quit playing, nigga.
Niggas, these lights need to be D-Ho gonna keep off. Overall, shit, I'll give it a 7. It just needs some speed.
Nigga don't say some 7.
It needs some speed, man. Hey, this my, you know, harder reviews. I'm giving nigga the hardest reviews. I ain't cute all the way funky. But yeah, it's 7. Bro, you saying they did charge one like cuz? I would have been so mad cuz. They really just fucked up the 20 girl versus one shit, fool. It was all for you. Here you go.
I had a fucking song. Interview. Mine said it's about some punks in their home.
My nigga, let's go.
He like, what going on? Cuz you know what going on.
Who got it from? Oh shit, that team good right now. Let's go.
Fuck you talking about? I'm 10 band. I show up.
Man, y'all crazy little motherfucker. I ain't doing nothing no motherfucker. Come on, my nigga, let's go.
He gonna get 10,000. Pull up 10,000 when they finish. 20,000 for the show. But he just got 10 and just left. This shit, it's still cool. Cause these folks playing on me. You said 20 women versus one person. Why you got a fag up here? All right, come on, cuz. You doing too much. I'll be mad as hell, too. And then it's an old-ass man, cuz. Why is y'all playing with him like that, cuz?
Charles don't play that game, man.
Man, no. I would have snapped, too. I ain't gonna lie. I can't see 20 bitches. I ain't come see them damn punk.
Yeah, Charles just got from y'all.
Hey. What bit 36 smoke that wood to the fire?
What?
What bit 36?
What?
Hey man, say mine. What it do, man?
What it is, what it ain't.
You saying blowing penny, brother, cookie my cut like Jen.